How to remove payment card on Tesco app. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Google Chrome for now. Once you're in here, in the source bar, you have to search for Tesco login. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first site. Well, it will be landing you on the official page of Tesco. In order to add credit or debit card, first of all you have to log into your specific account. So in here, enter your email address and the password of your specific account and then click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will be logged into your account. After that, head over to your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then move into settings. Inside settings, head over to payment method. Once you are in there, all the list of the card that you have added on Tesco will be available to you. Simply click on the card that you want to remove. Well, the card detail information will be available. And at the bottom, you will get to see the option of delete. Simply click on it. And then once again click on delete. After that, your payment card will be removed successfully. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove payment card on Tesco app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.